Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Math for me and you. Let's learn maths together. Hello dear friends, I'm Sindhu Suresh. In this video we are discussing case study based questions, class 10 mathematics standard. Here we can see in the sample question paper, section 2, the questions are case study based questions. Actually these questions are very simple to answer. And these questions are based on the topics already we have practiced through chapters. Here we get questions with multiple choice. We have to select the answers and the question 5 subparts will be there. We have to select 4, any 4, and the marks for the questions 1 mark each. In this sample paper, question number 17, 18, 19 and 20 are case study based questions. Question number 17, you can see this is the first question given. You can see a small description about this question, but don't spend more time on reading such descriptions. You can directly go to the diagram, whatever given, and you can go to the questions and understand from which chapter or from which topic it comes and which questions, which formulas we have to use. All these we can understand. So you can see a diagram given here. And then we are going directly to the questions. The first question is find the midpoint. See the word midpoint. That means this is a case study questions coming from the chapter coordinate geometry. And the chapter we have practiced how to find the distance, how to find the midpoint, how can we use the section formula, all these things. So we are going to answer the questions based on coordinate geometry. Here we have to find the midpoint. Without looking the diagram, we can find the midpoint of any two numbers, any 2 points. So we have to use the midpoint formula. What is the midpoint formula? If we have 2 points, x1, y1, x2, y2. See here I am going to mark the points as x1, y1 and x2, y2. If 2 points are ready or given, we can use the midpoint formula, and the formula is if M is the midpoint, it's a point. So we have to write the x coordinate and y coordinate. M is equal to, what is the x coordinate? x1 plus x2 over 2. This is the x coordinate of the midpoint. What about the y coordinate? y1 plus y2 over 2. Substitute the values and find what is the midpoint between j and I. Now substitute the values. x1 6 and x2 9. It is 6 plus 9 over 2. y1 is 17, y2 is 16. If we write x1, y1, x2, y2, it would be easier for us to get the answer correctly. Now we write 17 plus 16 over 2. What is 6 plus 9? 15. 15 over 2. And next number is 33 over 2. Look at the options. Which is the correct option? Yes, option 3. 15 over 2, 33 over 2. This is the midpoint. Next question. The distance of the point P from the y-axis. So we have to look at the diagram and then we can understand or we can find what is the distance. See here, this is the y-axis. And where is P? See, I have marked. What is the distance from the y-axis? Just count how many units away. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Not exactly but almost 4. So we can say the distance from the y-axis is 4. Option 1 is the correct answer. See how easily we get the answer. Now the next question. The distance between the points A and S. So we need the coordinates of A, x number and y number. Also the coordinates of S. Using the diagram we can find. See, x number is 1 because 1 unit away from y. Then y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That means A, the coordinates we can write. X number is 1, y number is 8. 1, 8. The point is 1, 8. S, it is also with the same y value. You can see the distance from x-axis, 8. So we can write y number or y coordinate is 8. And what about the x coordinate? Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So we get the number 17. X number is 17 and y number is 8. You can write the coordinates over there. A is 1, 8 and S is 17, 8. See the y numbers, y coordinates, they are same. So what is the distance? Just the difference between the x coordinate, because y coordinates are same. That means 17 minus 1. How much? 16. See the option with the 16 is the correct answer. That is option 3. Since the y coordinates are same for A and S, just find the distance between 1 to 17. Difference between 1 to 17. That is 16. No need to use the distance formula. Next question. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1:3. This is section formula based question. We need the coordinates of A. A is the point 1, 8. With the help of diagram, we can find what is B. Say I have marked B and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units away. That means X number is 5. A is 8 units away, Y number is 8, then 9 and 10. So B we can write quickly. X number 5 and Y number is 10. Now you can see A and B ready. Also the section formula, see I have written here. M1, M2, the ratio numbers. X1, Y1 we can mark the first point A and X2, Y2 the second point B. M1, M2 already I have marked. Using this formula we can find what is the coordinates of the point which cuts in the ratio 1, 3. M1, X2 that is 1 times 5 plus M2, X1 3 times 1 it is 3 over M1 plus M2 3 plus 1 4. Next is M1, Y2 that means it is 1 times 10 plus M2, Y1 that is 24, 3 times 8, 24 over 4. 5 plus 3, 8 over 4. Then 34 over 4. 8 over 4 is 2. 34 over 4 is 8.5. So we get the answer 2, 8.5, which is the fourth option. Next question. If a point xy is equidistant from the point Q 9, 8 and S 17, 8, then we have to find which of the following equations is correct. Here it is equidistance. That means we need to use the distance formula and find the distance between 9, 8 and xy. Also find the distance between 17, 8 and xy. 9, 8 and xy. What is the distance? X minus 9 the whole square plus y minus 8 the whole square. We use the formula x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now the distance between 17, 8 and xy. So here we can write x minus 17 the whole square plus y minus 8 the whole square. We have selected x1, y1 as 17, 8 and x2, y2 as xy. Since xy is equidistant, these two are equal distances and we can cancel the square root because both sides with the square root. Then what we get? X minus 9 the whole square plus y minus 8 the whole square is equal to x minus 17 the whole square plus y minus 8 the whole square. Look at the left side, right side. Yes, we can cancel y minus 8 the whole square from both sides. And what remains? X minus 9 the whole square is equal to x minus 17 the whole square. X minus 9 the whole square, we can remove the bracket or expand using the formula a minus b the whole square. So x square minus 2 times 9 times x plus 9 square is 81. Then the right side, x square minus 2 times 17 times x plus 17 square. Okay, simplify this. X square minus 2 times 9 is 18 times x is 18x plus 81 is equal to x square minus 2 times 17 times x 34x plus 17 square is 289. From left side and right side remove x square because same term. Then collect x on one side, numbers on other side. We get minus 18x plus 34x because minus 34 we can move to the left side. Right side is 289. Then from left side we can move 81. It becomes minus 81. Minus 18 plus 34. 16. 16x is equal to 208. What about x? x is equal to 208 divided by 16. We can cancel, we get 13. So what is x? X equals 13. Move 13 to the left side. What we get? X minus 13 is equal to 0. Which option? Option number 2. That is the correct answer. Next is case study based question number 2. Many things given in the description, but we are going to read the highlighted word, that is similar figure. That means we can understand it is taken from the chapter similar triangles. There is a ratio given, scale factor. Go through it quickly. From the pictures, it's clear. After rotation or turn, reflection or flip, translation or slide, the shapes remains similar. That means similarity will not affect with the 4 given things: resize, flip, slide or turn. Next, question number 1. Here we can see a model of boat is made on the scale 1:4. The ratio is given. That means if 4 units is the original boat, then 1 unit is the model boat. And the length of the model boat is 120 centimeter. If the width of the original boat is 60 centimeter, what is the width of the model boat? So here the width is we want to find. Length no need. And now we can write the ratio, but see the ratio given as model to original, but the picture original to model, but I am writing in the same way given in the question, model to the original boat. Model, if it is 1 unit, then the original is 4. We have to find the width of the model, so let it be x. If the width of the original boat is 60 centimeter. How can we find? Directly we can find. See, original 4, the number changes to 60. How? 4 times 15. That means to get x, we have to multiply 1 with 15. So the answer 15. 1:4 we can write as 1/4. That is equal to 4 changes to 60. Then what is the new value of 1? This way also we can find the value of x. So x means cross multiply. Then 60/4. 60/4 is 15. Model boat is of width 15 centimeter and that is the correct answer, which is option 3. Next question. What will affect the similarity of any 2 polygons? It's already given in the question itself. Rotation or turn will not affect. Reflection or flip will not affect. Translation or slide, resizing, all will not affect the similarity of 2 polygons. Then what will affect? Can see here all these will not, but the last option you can see it says they are not the mirror image of one another. That means about the reflection. So not same means it will affect the similarity of 2 polygons. 4 is the correct option. Next question. If 2 similar triangles have a scale factor of A is to B, which statement regarding the 2 triangles is true? First of all, we have to consider one thing, that if 2 triangles are similar, then their perimeters follow the same ratio. Also altitudes and medians all follow the same ratio. If 2 triangles are similar, with their sides are in the ratio A is to B, then their perimeters, altitudes, median all follow the same ratio A is to B. Whatever the ratio, they will follow the same ratio. Here A is to be the ratio. Then we have to select which option is the true statement. The first one, what do you feel? Is this true or false? No, it's not, because we know that perimeter follows same ratio, but here the ratio is different. About altitude, same ratio they follow. That means the statement is true. Second option. Third one, not true. And the last one also not correct. So the correct option is here option 2, because altitude same ratio it follows. Next one, the shadow of a stick 5 meter long is 2 meter. At the same time, the shadow of a tree 12.5 high is what? This is the question. What is the length of the shadow? You can see a stick 5 meter long whose shadow is 2 meter long. See the unit meter. So stick also with a length 5 meter. And now about tree. The length is 12.5 meter. All the units are same meter. We have to check whether the units are same or not. What is the shadow of the tree? This we have to calculate. Look at the picture. You can see two triangles and both are what type of triangles? They are similar triangles. Now we can write the ratio of their sides, corresponding sides. We know the ratios are equal. When we write the ratio of the corresponding sides, we could write 5 over its shadow 2. 5 over 2 is equal to the same ratio we get if we take the side or the length of the tree 12.5 over its shadow, we could say as x. Yes, using cross multiplication we can find x. We get 5x is equal to, see, I am writing 12.5 as 125 over 10. Just I remove the point. Okay, then we can multiply with 2, cross multiply with the 2. If we change point and write divide by 10, then the calculation will be easier. 5 we will do division later. 2 cancel with the 10. So we get the denominator 5. 5 and 125 again we could cancel. We get 25 in the numerator. 5x equals 25. What is x? X equal 25 over 5 is 5. So we get the length of the shadow is 5, which is the last option. So option 4 is the correct option. Next question. Here it is given something here. We just go through it quickly. Okay. And then, yes, from here we have to start reading carefully. E is the middle of AT. Okay, we understand that. F is the middle of BT. Yes. G is the middle of CT. H is the middle of DT. All the edges and the model have length 12 meter. Okay, this is the model. It's given E is the middle of AT. F is the middle of BT. G is the midpoint of CT and H is the midpoint of DT. Also it is given the length of AT, AB, BT, all the sides 12 meter. Now the question is, what is the length of EF? How can we find EF? We can use BPT theorem, that is basic proportionality theorem, or midpoint theorem. Since E and F cuts the sides in the same ratio, we can say the line EF is parallel to AB. They are the midpoints. So we can write EF parallel to AB. Also, we can say, since they are the midpoints, EF, the line, is half of AB. This is the midpoint theorem says. So EF equals half of AB. What is AB? 12 meter. So what is its half? 1 over 2 times 12. That means 6 meter. Option 3 is the correct option. Other two case study based questions we will discuss in the next video. Hope you understand what we have practiced over here. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. See you with more useful videos. Thank you.